If WhatsApp web keeps freezing or showing a page unresponsive error in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is especially useful if WhatsApp freezes when you try to open an image, play a voice note, or watch a video clip. In many cases, the issue is caused by Chrome settings, a bad extension, or corrupted site data. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, we'll start with one of the most common causes, which is Chrome's hardware acceleration. Sometimes, Chrome's graphics decoding can clash with your PC hardware and make WhatsApp web slow, glitchy, or completely unresponsive. To fix that, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings. Once the Settings page opens, click System on the left sidebar. Here, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that switch off. After that, click Relaunch, so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. This one small change can make a big difference if the page was freezing because of graphics-related conflicts. If WhatsApp still isn't working properly, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Certain ad blockers, message schedulers, privacy tools, and script blockers can interfere with WhatsApp's background sync and cause the page to stop responding. To review them, click the three dots again in Chrome. Hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Now you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn off the toggle switch for each active extension, especially anything related to WhatsApp, automation, or script blocking. Once they're disabled, go back to WhatsApp web and reload the page. If everything starts running smoothly again, that means one of your extensions was causing the problem. You can then turn them back on one by one until you find the exact one responsible. Now, if the issue is still happening, the problem may be stored site data or a corrupted session. This is where clearing WhatsApp web's local data can help. Open the WhatsApp web page in Chrome, then press F12 on your keyboard. If that doesn't open the developer tools, you can also right-click the page and choose Inspect. When the developer dashboard opens, click the small side arrow at the top if needed, then select the Application tab across the top bar. In the left panel, click Storage. After that, scroll down in the main panel and click Clear Site Data. This removes cached files, stored data, and broken session information that may be causing the page to freeze. Once that's done, press Ctrl plus F5 to force a clean refresh of the page. This ensures Chrome reloads WhatsApp web from scratch instead of using old broken data. After doing these steps, give WhatsApp web a moment to reload and sign back in if needed. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the page unresponsive error and get everything working normally again. Start with hardware acceleration, then check your extensions, and finally clear the site data if necessary. That order usually saves time and helps you pinpoint the real cause. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and browser fixes. And, if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix WhatsApp web not loading, QR code problems, or audio not playing on Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.